We are speak English. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is misal pav. What is your father name?
My father name is Deepak. What is your mother name?
My mother name is Sarika. किती वेळा?
How many times?
विसरू नको.
Don't forget.
What is your name? My name is Kavya. What is your mother name? My mother name is Durga.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Arya.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Nimgaon.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have dog and cat. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Anita madam.
Who is your class teacher?
My class teacher is Dige sir. गरज नाही.
No need.
कशासाठी?
For what?
पंखा चालू कर.
Turn on the fan.
पंखा बंद कर.
Turn off the fan. गरज नाही.
No need.
त्या वायरजवळ जाऊ नको.
Don't go near that wire.
बोलण्यापूर्वी विचार करा.
Think before speak.
Whose pencil is this?
It's mine.
Who birthday is today?
It's Sam. Who are they?
They are my parents.
Who is that?
That is my sister.
What is your father name?
My father name is Dattatraya. What is your mother name?
My mother's name is Radhika.
What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading. How old are you? I am 10 years old. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What is your mother name? My mother name is Sarika.
Where do you live?
I live in Nimgaon. How are you?
I am fine.
ही माझी चूक आहे.
It's my mistake. What is your surname?
My surname is Shinde.
What is your name?
My name is Ayush.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old. What is your father name?
My father name is Kiran.
What is your sister name?
My sister name is Swaraj. What is your name?
My name is Nikhil. How old are you?
I am old, 12 years.
What is your name?
My name is Swaraj. What is your mother name?
My mother name is Sujala. What is your father name?
My father name is Amol. What is your sister name?
My sister name is Shreya and Riddhi.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is Puran Poli. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
What is your name?
My name is Om. What is your father name?
My father name is Sopash.
What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish is Puran Poli. What is your favorite idea? My favorite idea is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Where do you live? I live in Nimgaon. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What is your school name? My school name is ZP Primary School Nimgaon. Where do you live? I live in Nimgaon. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What is your name? My name is Aradhya. What is your father name? My father name is Satish. What is your mother name? My mother name is Reshmi.
चुकांपासून शिका.
Learn from mistake. ही माझी चूक आहे.
It is my mistake.